What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have another bird feeder, you guys. I know I'm going bird feeder crazy, all right, but I love bird feeders. I love feeding the birds. I love nature. You guys, I am going to start a new channel. I'm going to have my own Animal Planet channel. Have y'all ever watched Animal Planet? Back in the day, I used to watch Animal Planet all day long. All right, until YouTube came, and then I started watching animals on YouTube. So anyways, with that being said, I might be starting up my own channel with the birds and stuff like that. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet, but I might be starting up my own channel when it comes to that. But right here we have a cool bird feeder. It's a mesh style bird feeder. I did review a mesh round bird feeder on the channel. I will be putting a playlist with all of my bird feeder stuff and all of that good stuff. All of the animal stuff I will put on a playlist pretty soon. With that being said, right here we have the hook. So we have a hook right here. Now, I'm not sure. I mean, you could take this hook off if you just want to use this this wire right here. You have this, you know, the thing that usually be on your coats. I don't know the name of this, but you know, you push down and then you could go up and down. So I have never seen this on a bird feeder before, so this actually might be more secure. I don't know, maybe it might stop the squirrels from getting in, but my squirrels are different, you guys. I don't know about the squirrels in y'all neighborhood, but the squirrels in my neighborhood, they do whatever it takes to get food. All right, now it seems like this is a little loose right here, or is it supposed to be like that? This one is a little bit more like, you see how it's easy to, well, you see how it's a little bit harder to adjust, and this one is going further down. But maybe I could tighten it. I'll figure it out. If I can figure this out, then I'll let y'all know how I did it. But this is a little loose right there, so it's not going in a, you know, in a certain angle to where it's comfortable for the birds to be on. Right here is too far down, even though the birds still might be able to stand on this, but this is too far down, and the rest are going at a normal. So you see that? But if I can't get it, you know, Amazon has a return policy, you guys. From what it looks like, when you put the food in, food comes straight out the bottom, so there is a gap on the bottom. Don't know if you can see it, but you see where my finger is? It's like a gap right here, so food will come down, you guys, just to let you know. So it's not like the food is stuck into the mesh, but as you know, the birds can pick through the mesh anyways, so that's pretty cool. Now, is this squirrel proof? No, this is not squirrel proof, you guys. So you know, I usually get the squirrel proof stuff, but this one is not squirrel proof, and obviously y'all can tell, but I will be putting this out. I will try to fix this first. So let me try to fix this, and then we will put this outside and then enjoy the birds feeding. All right, you guys, it haven't even been 5 minutes, and as you can see, the birds love the green one already. Once again, the green one is not squirrel proof, so just note that the squirrels will probably destroy that green one. They will dump all the seeds out of that. All right, no birds came on the blue one yet. They really like the green one. They are attracted to that one. See that? They're going into that one. All right, you guys, so that will be it. I will go ahead and post up the action camera video and all of that stuff. I will probably end it right there, but if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.